Hello everybody, and today we're gonna be unboxing this toy, this nice toy of Disney Pixar cars. I'm gonna have to unbox this. If I'm gonna unbox this, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. So yeah. Hold on, guys. I got the two characters out, but I kind of made a mess. Anyways, here's the most one. Here's Lion Queen. He's very nice. He has the bumper stickers in the back. He has a big lightning bolt there, and he's cruising like Queen. I can try. Yeah, he's cruising like Queen. Then off to Sally. Sally almost looks the same as all the other Sally releases, except the Welcome Raider Sprink one. That one has a different expression. That's Sally. I think I like my Queen more. And that's a picture. I ripped it. I torn it apart. Anyways. What happens if I try to put them back? If you want to try to put them back, then might as well. And your opener, and then you put them back here. There. That's how they look like. And I didn't do unboxing in a long time because I am almost at nothing that I wanted to unbox. So yeah, this was just a review for Cruising Lion Queen 2-pack with Sally. If you guys want, and make sure, speaking of cars, make sure you watch our series. I was gonna say new, but it's a little bit old series of the Cars Part 1, Part 2. A lot of you like the Ghost Light Returns one. I'm glad you guys liked it. But anyways, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.